This lab lands the drone on an AprilTag, using the camera to find it. SSH into the Pi, then connect the camera to the Pi. On the laptop, the AprilTag detector installs, followed by a calibration file holding the camera's focal length and image center. Without those, the tag size on screen can't be turned into a real distance. An empty script file is created, and the laptop's address is what the stream will target. On the Pi, this pipeline sends camera video to the laptop on port 5601. The Pi is only the camera here. The laptop runs both the vision and the simulated drone. The script was written ahead of time. It reads that stream, finds the tag, and works out where it sits in 3 dimensions. That offset drives the velocity commands, and descent only starts once the drone is properly centered over the tag. SITL supplies the drone the script will fly, so no real aircraft is needed for any of this. The stream starts on the Pi, then the script runs on the laptop. The drone arms and climbs to 2 meters, then holds there in off-board mode, waiting for a tag to appear. The preview opens, the tag comes into view, and the drone centers over it and descends to land.